Since I last talked about this stock, it has already moved up by 50%, and I would suggest you to check all my previous videos on this stock. And now what we are going to discuss over here is about the trend forward. So hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are discussing about the long-term chart or the weekly chart of American Resources Corp. And if you are looking at this chart, so let me talk to you first about the important level. So this was the level which is very important for this stock because it is not only a support level but a resistance as well. So 2.14, here you can see in the year 2019 it works as a support, and after that a breakdown has happened, and in the year 2020 it worked as a resistance. Now in 2021 a breakout has happened above 2.14. So this line will be the most important line, and for the time being it is your stop loss or immediate support, and if the stock falls below 2.14 there is no point carrying any trade further on the downside. Okay, so that's the first thing you need to understand and check out over here. Now if it holds the way it is or above 2.14, the level which we are going to look at will be $5 as your first target, and it could extend up to, so there are 2 or 3 levels. Yeah, we have 1 and 2. Okay, so you have $5, then you have 8.5, and finally it could extend up to 13.9 or $14 on the upside. So these are the levels that we are looking at, but this is all happen in long term. We are looking at a weekly chart, so this will take couple of weeks to couple of months, and be mindful of the levels, be disciplined and trail your stop losses accordingly. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.